After many, many years and many, many tribulations and trials of rust repairs and metal fabrications and weldings and ups and downs and ins and outs and sideways lefts to rights and transporting vehicles from Dallas, Texas to Moab, Utah. Bodywork, let's talk about that. Bodywork, extreme, beyond extreme bodywork. The hammer dolly, heating it and stretching it and warping the metal and sandblasting. It's very, very rotisserie. We had the car on the rotisserie for a very long time. Floors were replaced, rocker panels, front ends, frame structures, unibodies. Let's talk unibodies. Very, very big and extraordinary job. A job that shouldn't have been done. The car should have been totaled, crushed, smashed, put into the scrap iron yard, remelted and remade into another vehicle. But my friend Pete took it to the limit. He took it from the beginning to the end. He kept his word. He did what he was supposed to do. He took the vehicle that was once nothing and made it into something by himself. Only his hands worked on the vehicle in question. 1976 Mercedes Benz. We saw the videos. We watched the videos. We've seen what happened from start to finish. We saw my friend Pete get upset, get mad, get glad, be happy. And now the time has come that the vehicle must leave Southwest Rod and Custom. It must go home to the owner, the final destination, the one last trip, the one last look at the vehicle that we used to call Nightmare. Here we go, the final destination of the 1976 Mercedes. Two-door hardtop, moonroof, not sunroof, moonroof vehicle. Thank you for watching. Thank you.
Welcome to D.I.Y. Automotive School with my friend Pete and Minnie, the body shop girl. It's everything you need to know about cars and more. Okay, while Minnie's in there finishing up on the wax job, we're going to go look at that in a second. I'm getting everything out that we need to tie the car down. This is a very, very special day today because the car is leaving. I have been working on that car for about 2 years, and I can tell you this, it shows. So more than likely we won't see this car finished. Once it leaves my shop, we'll never see it again. It'll probably take Mr. Majestic approximately several years at least to put it all back together and actually have it running and driving. This car is beyond explanation of restoration, and if you are just getting in on this video and this is the first one you've seen on this car, you need to go back into the video set and watch it and see exactly what it took to do all the work that we have done to it. As soon as this beauty queen leaves, this trailer queen, oh, hold on a minute, I misspoke. One more thing about Mr. Majestic, none of his cars are trailer queens. Every car that he owns and is restored, he drives on the street. They are never trailered. The only time they will be trailered is if the engine breaks down or he has to have or he gets in a collision work repair, and that's it. Other than that, he literally drives his cars on a daily basis and he rotates them as he drives them. That's one thing that I got to say about Mr. Majestic. He does not own any trailer cleans whatsoever. He drives all his bullshit. So, I'll go ahead and get the ramps out. final destination, final journey of leaving my shop. Ow! Bitch, that hurt. Damn it. Beautiful car. Look at this. Beautiful. Wow. Okay, we're ready to load this dog up. And tomorrow morning, Minnie leaves at 6 o'clock, heading down to Dallas, Texas, to drop the 76 Mercedes off and to pick up the 1970 Volkswagen convertible, which has a lot of history. And when I say history, I'm talking Southwest Rod and Custom, my friend Pete history behind that vehicle. Alright. We got the rubber on the hood, we got rubber on the doors, we got rubber on the trunk. So what we're looking at here on the ground, I'm going to show you that when we get it hooked up. This is a cover I made specifically for this car because we don't want any recourse when Minnie the body shop girl brings it back. So we got to put this up here. Let's bring it here first, then we'll go that way, okay? Look, dude. Put my hand up. Go your way. There you go. Keep going. Don't want to hit the car just please. Hold it. We're all trying to hold this shit here. Alright, one more step. Okay. Okay, hang on. That needs no help. Ready? Yep. You got your in? Yep. Okay. That went on nice. I like that.
Yeah, that was easy.
Alright.
Alright, well, as Pete has already told y'all probably 9 million times, here's 9,000,001. This car is going home. It's going to Dallas. I'm taking it in the morning. It'll be there Monday. And then I'm offloading it. And I'm picking up another one. A smaller one, but another one. Tomorrow, I can't wait until tomorrow. I'll be gone for a whole week, and I won't have to listen to Pete run his fucking mouth. Beep.
So, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, Axel wants to go with you. You want to take him? Look, he's right there behind you. Hey, get out. Axel, you're not going. Hey, Mama said you can't go. No. Look at him.
Aww.
Look at him.
Aww.
Come here. You want to go with Mama? You want to go with Mama? Mama said no. You got to stay here with me.
Poor boy. Poor boy.
Okay. Be careful, take it easy, and we'll see you later.
Alright.
Alright. Take it easy. Love you.
Love you too.
Okay, quit being jealous, boy. Quit being jealous. Oh, Axel, you can't go, boy. Oh, gone.
Alright, well, I am hot and sweating like a pig. It is humidity city here in Texas. It says it's only 82 degrees, but it feels like it's 182. I am sweating like a pig. I got sweat in my eyeballs. And I think we're going to do a little quick walk around of the backyard of our old shop and let you see what it looks like in 1 year, or after 1 year of us being gone. Here we go. That's our back gate. The bottom gate that Pete always complained about being left open, and yes, it was left open. And there's the hill that I used to weed eat. Doesn't even look like a hill now. It just looks like a jungle. Yeah, the air conditioner's up there somewhere. If they ever needed to fix it, good luck getting to it. Yeah. Welcome to the jungle, people. Yeah, and there's the fence that our neighbors used to have a shit about every time something happened to it. If you just even touch the fence, they would just come unglued. And look at it now. It's in disrepair big time. I guess he don't care about the fence no more. Ain't nobody been weed eating out here. The pecan trees are looking nice though. Got 2 big giant pecan trees. They're looking really good. Oh, and I spy another little Volkswagen over there that maybe one day we'll be repairing too. And then here's the lean-to that was built right before we left a year ago. It's still the same. It looks like they might have actually trimmed the weeds once. Engines and parts and stuff. And oh, look, we got new stairs. That's awesome. Bolted to the wall. That's cool. And they're not rickety. That's nice. We like that. That's really nice. Wow, it's not too bad in here. Looks like they've been working and doing stuff. And yeah. Oh, nice bike. Just looking around, seeing what we can see. Being nosy. Being nosy. Ooh, here's a nice red Cadillac. Awesome. We like that. All right. Paint table's gone. Of course, because it's in Moab. And there it is. And there he is. The man of the hour, the owner of the mystery machine, or what did Pete used to call it?
The Nightmare.
The Nightmare. Oh my gosh, the Nightmare is looking good. That's temporarily put on there because he knew you would take that back off. And
I thought that's supposed to be aluminum.
Oh, don't ask me. But that's just temporarily screwed on there with 2 screws.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah. And your battery thing is in the trunk. Your moonroof is in the trunk. Your fuel filter door is in the trunk. And sorry it got dirty. It rained last night where I spent the night
It's all
at.
locked up. Okay.
Yeah. But all your parts are in the trunk, and of course this rubber here is temporary situation just to keep, there's like rubber in the doors and stuff and down the grooves just to keep it from, you know, bumping and scratching up and stuff.
It's looking great.
But it came out nice for what it was.
How do you open the boot?
There's a latch.
Latch here.
I don't know.
Hey, this is Pete over at D.I.Y. Auto School. We just got done editing the final video of the Mercedes Benz. Me and Minnie were very, very excited about this job, that it was coming to an end. Minnie was very anxious and excited to bring the car back to the owner to get the response of the beautiful job that my friend Pete did to it and all the hard work that Minnie put into it. Being a vehicle that was supposed to be a dedication car to his father's death, you would have thought that he would have been in tears, that he would have been very excited, very happy, very glad to get it, but instead he was very arrogant. He treated Minnie like shit. I'm going to go ahead and say the word shit. He belittled her. He intimidated her by acting like, what's this? Where's that at? This car's all mucky. Why is it dirty? How do I open the hood on my car? Show me. Type fucking attitude. Just to let you know, the Volkswagen that Minnie brought back was returned to Mr. Asshole. The car was not restored. I was very excited to restore the red Volkswagen because I restored that car over 35 years ago, and it was going to be a dedication restoration. The car would have been an immaculate restoration. It would have been a concourse restoration. It would have been a restoration where you wouldn't have even drove the car. So, that's the end of this story. I hope that you like this story. It's a story that tells you, the viewer, don't get too excited and too happy about a situation that you have no control over. Because in the end, it's all going to turn around, it's all going to twist around, and it's going to be shit in the end. This is Pete, my friend Pete, your friend Pete, and this is the end of Nightmare. Bitch!